Meaning of distasteful.
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 Distasteful. Distasteful refers to something that is unpleasant, offensive, or disagreeable. It is a subjective term and can vary from person to person. It can refer to anything that causes a negative emotional response, such as a bad taste in food, an offensive joke, or a disgusting smell. This term is often used to describe things that are inappropriate or insensitive. Ultimately, something that is distasteful is something that is not likable or enjoyable, and can cause discomfort or disgust in those who experience it.